Okay, everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida, licensed realtor, licensed home inspector, and notary public. So, just want to show you a little bit of the outside road over by Windsor Island Resort. Now, over in this area is kind of just a lot of homes. Over here on the right is a CVS pharmacy. Now over here to the right, I think I'm actually just going to drive it like this then, is where Windsor Island Resort is. Now across the street is a Publix, there's a gas station, and some other stuff in that area. So pretty much what I did was I kind of started where the homes were in the back of me. So over here on the right is the school. Okay, so here's your main entryway, and you can see that the community is not even close to being ready to go yet. Probably sometime in more so around the holiday season, might start to see some of the first homes pop up. Got some in the back here that look like they're a little bit more on the way, as you can see. Amazing how fast they build around here. But most of the homes here right now, I mean, it looks like at a minimum probably 2 months. Yeah, I'm going to turn off over here. There's a lot of construction going on in this area, but it's just amazing how far it's come in like the past. I think I was here 2 or 3 months ago. These homes up here on the hill over to the right, these look like these are going to be the first ones completed, no doubt. Just from, you know, the fact that you can see the exteriors look pretty good. But nonetheless, still probably about 2 months away. Right now we are in the first week of August while I'm making this video, kind of maybe actually towards the end of the first week of August already. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to drive out and just show you the stores that are across the street. Okay, so over here on the left again that we passed was the CVS. Now you can see that sign across the street that showed Publix. So there's a gas station. It's called the Berry Town Center. There's a whole bunch of places in here, so let me just drive in here for you so you can see it. Now, if you are interested in a home over here or any place else, as I always do say, please contact me first before you head over to any home builder. There's actually a storage over there too. There's a pool supply store here on the right. Got this Irish pub. Property management place, how convenient for those that need property management. You know, you always want to interview a few property management companies if you are interested in renting out your home. You know, always look into the terms with the company as well, and make sure that the terms are favorable for you as well. So, you know, just kind of keep that in mind. You know, see what your rights are in the process as well, just in case if the property management kind of isn't really doing what they should. Okay, so some other places over here to eat as well. I believe we're coming up on the Publix. Yeah, and here's the Publix. What else we got here? We have a liquor store, a place for hair, and alright, so I'm just gonna actually head out over here because I got a ton of cars very close to me in the back. And as I was saying, yeah, please don't contact the builder through their internet sales team either, because many times that voids your free realtor representation. And you know, having that free realtor representation is super important. You know, you just want to have it. And you know, the main reason is that, you know, during the process you want to have people working for you. It's so important. You know, having a good realtor, a realtor that's on your side. You know, someone like me that's looking to get you the best price, the best deal, and also look out for you to make sure that the process is being handled correctly. You know, other people that would work for you would be a real estate attorney to look over the contract for you. Again, real estate attorneys are trained for that sort of thing. They go to school for it. They're the only ones that should be giving you legal advice on a contract. And your home inspector to make sure your home is being built right. You know, don't leave it in the hands of the home builder. Don't leave it in the hands of the local contractors. You know, make sure it's looked over by a licensed home inspector. Just super important. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you with your best interests. Thank you again.